For anyone following the progress of my KZ1000, progress videos have been slow in coming, and that's because progress has been slow. And I didn't really feel it was necessary to make a video. There wasn't really a whole lot to show. However, because of the small incremental steps I've made forward, I feel like I've got enough done that it's worth cataloging it here. And where I'm at now, my frame is painted and it had come out pretty good. Most of my parts that can come off to get powder coated are back, and they're back on. They look pretty good, and I'm just about ready to put my wheel on, but I'm waiting for my rear rotor. I sent my rear rotor off to True Disc to get it resurfaced, because while the front rotor, this is stock, I didn't do anything to it other than just clean it up, and man, it come out looking like almost brand new. There's not even any grooves, nothing in there. The back one looked a little bit more trashy. I wasn't sure if it was good or if it was even usable. True Disc guys over there said it looked good. They'd put it on the grinder, they'd get it all cleaned up, and I'm just waiting on that. They're asking about drilling holes, but I didn't do any drilling on the front. I don't think I'm going to drill on the rear. And this is being a budget build. I'm trying to use as much of the original hardware as I can. I am replacing some stuff with stainless, but a lot of things are getting cleaned up. And my brake master cylinders, man, those things look almost brand new. Those reservoirs look so good, I almost don't know if I want to put them on this bike. I almost think I want to put them on my own bike. But I don't know. I haven't decided yet. As far as this bike goes, I'm liking the progress. It's not for a lack of interest. It's more of other projects on my house needing to get priority. But it is coming along, and I am now starting the engine rebuild, and I'm going to tear it all the way down, and I'm going to put it in my vapor blast cabinet and clean everything up. So this is where I'm at. Not much further than it was before the last progress video that I had shown. It looked pretty much like this. This is pretty much day one of getting into it, and I gotta start figuring out how I'm going to sort everything out and keep it organized as I go. But I got my service manual, I got some bins, just getting going. And yeah, here it is. So hopefully I'll have something else to post soon on how it's going.